I got a comment on one of our YouTube videos discussing the fine-tuning of the universe, and I think it'd be interesting for us to discuss it here today. So that's what this video is going to be on. Basically, the commenter said that there's no way we can tell if something is the product of design or is just the product of chance. They said, imagine we live in a world of art. There's the Mona Lisa, and there's splotches of paint. Now, those splotches of paint could be the work of an artist, but we just don't know. In the same way, the Mona Lisa could be the work of artist, but we just don't know. They're just all different. Now, it's true, in the world of art, there is abstract art that looks like it's just the result of toppling paint buckets, and that's art. But that's different than the Mona Lisa. And when we're talking about the universe or design in life, for example, it's completely different. Now, maybe low-level design, such as abstract art, could be indistinguishable from the products of chance. But high-level design, like the Mona Lisa, is different entirely. You see, with the example of art, the Mona Lisa is not just a complex arrangement of pigmentation resulting in something. It's a precise arrangement of pigmentation coming together for a precise purpose, namely depicting Lisa. That paint could have been arranged differently a million different ways, and that would make it fail to complete the precise purpose depicting Lisa. So overwhelming odds were overcome arranging this paint just right for a precise purpose, coming together for a specific function depicting Lisa. So something as complex and specified as the Mona Lisa painting is obvious to be the product of design. It's clearly distinguishable from the product of chance. So a splotch painting, sure, that's low-level design. That could be indistinguishable from the product of chance. But the Mona Lisa is not, because overwhelming odds were overcome to arrange all the parts just right for a specific function, and just one mistake would make it fail that function. Which is why we know that something as complex and specified as the Mona Lisa must be the product of intelligence. In the same way, a world that's designed by the greatest conceivable mind for a particular purpose would overcome overwhelming odds to make that purpose possible. That is exactly what we can look for in the world. And if we're trying to see if Christianity is true, we can see that the purpose of the universe was life. So what are the odds of life existing? What is the fine-tuning and how probable is it? If overwhelming odds were overcome to make life possible, then it's more reasonable to assume there's a mind behind it. Just as it's more reasonable to assume there's a mind behind the Mona Lisa, because overwhelming odds were overcome for it to be possible. The Mona Lisa had a painter, and the universe has a mind.